I had this Top Golf. My family, my brother. We doing this thing out here. My bday. There's the scores right there. Man, why you always gotta top me, man? She got 106. Now, man, okay. I'm here playing Top Golf. Like I said. Man, this game actually pretty tough. It's like right there. That's my brother. Yeah, it's somewhere over there. Let's try again. Yeah, these scores are just messed up. Come on, quit showboating. You can see it right there. Got in. Got him, coach. 8 points. 17. Hey, you're tied. You're tied now. Top golf. And Top Golf. We're about to go putt-putting this way. I'll move the cars and then we're going to go. We're about to do some putt-putt. We did the long range golfing. Machine kept screwing up, so it wasn't fun. So, yeah, I convinced everybody to do some putt-putt. Again, this is, decompressing after the car show and stuff. But yeah, this looks pretty cool. Okay, yeah, okay, so this is going to be pretty cool. It's actually 3 different courses out here with 18 holes each. So this is going to be really, really epic. So, hole 1's right here. Right where it says hole 1.
My lead fell out. I'm sorry.
It's going to count. So we're all out here having fun. Watch a shot. Okay, +2. And then there goes my mom. You didn't see that hill. You didn't see that hill at all.
Babe, you're over there, babe.
And then my brother.
You want me to continue the video from your men?
Oh yeah, if you want.
He back up some. I'm orange, of course, guys. That's actually a good shot. A little bit too strong. That's a good shot, though. Second hole. This water. He's want to dive in this water.
Okay, Mom.
Look at that hill. Okay. Mom trying to take us all out of here. I'm trying to be mama. Oh! Woo! I look Gucci. Awesome.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh. God, Mom's shooting good right now.
Where is it?
So right there, when I get to, watch my brother shoot this. Oh, thank you. Yeah. All right.
Oh, that's too far away.
Yeah, you can't get that much power.
Uh-oh.
Coming in hot. Pretty cool hole. Gotta go uphill. Yep, not enough power. That's what you get. Right back down. Welcome back.
Leave it. We don't want it to roll off. Bro.
No, I'm gonna get it.
Go ahead and do it again.
Go ahead again. Third +1. Let's go again. More power.
Okay.
Okay. Not bad.
Okay.
This is badass. Waterfall going down. We just finished that cool hole on the side.
It goes into a hole and then it goes somewhere else.
Usually that's how it works.
Okay.
Oh, that's cool.
Hold on, you want to flash the light?
No. Don't even
No,
try.
that's thank you.
Okay.
I see the hole. I see it.
Oh, it's coming back.
I see the hole though.
Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Hard to see, guys. He's going around. He's showing a couple holes. Now I still gotta get between those two. It is right there. Cool thing is
Oh,
it's
it's stock, right? Oh, it's stock.
awesome.
It's stock.
Yeah, there's a whole.
Is it? Watch out. There's a hole right here. Yeah, but watch out for this right here. Watch out for that right there. Rough it. This is a brutal hole.
Right there. Oh, I wish you hit that hole. It's inside the.
Inside the water?
Inside the thing right there. It's in the waterfall. In the waterfall.
Okay. Cool. Or you can hop over and try to go down.
Yep.
And you gotta go into the water.
It hits it though.
I have my ball.
Long way. Now you gotta go uphill. Ouch. That's ugly.
Oh, shoot.
That's ugly.
Well, that's good. My ball probably.
Not too bad.
Yeah, I'll take.
It's a nasty one right here.
Okay.
No.
That's not bad necessarily.
This is a nasty one. Look at this hill. This is a nasty one.
It's a squid. It's a squid.
Oh, it is.
Oh. Here's another hole.
Oh, that's a net. That's a net.
Oh! No! Still good. Still good position.
Good from that. Come on, babe. Come on, babe.
Stop.
That's nice. That's nice.
Still good. Still good. Still good.
Got this hole and then the two others, and that'll be it.
I do 12. 3 holes. Damn, Mom. Damn, Mom. Look at this nasty incline. You just started.
You can go again. This is -1. All right.
It's one shot.
Oh shit.
All right.
That was actually a good shot.
Yeah.
I don't know how you
I
shot
do
that.
the first time.
I don't know how you shot that first shot. I don't know where that came from.
No.
And I didn't cock it or slant it. Yep. Uh-oh.
You get your pick of the litter. Nice. My brother, we're playing basketball. My mom's got the high at 30. Yeah, you get more points. My brother's going. I got 29. Mama got 30. You just zoned out. Uh-oh. There you go, BB. There you go, BB. Yeah, you go, BB. You like Aaron Rodgers. You fell in the clutch. You fell in the clutch. Yeah. Playing the Halo game with my mom. My person survived was dead. Everybody else dead.
Yeah, he's still going.
Still alive.
You're shooting at that body.
Hurry up.
Reload and shoot him.
Shoot this guy over here. Now he dead. Now you got what you deserve. Well, I'm playing the high top basketball game.
You got this, Mom. There you go. Come on, Mom. There you go. Hell yeah.
There she goes. There she got it. There she got it. Look at that. There she got that whistle. Oh. That's it. There you go. Come on, brother Steven. He got 4 points. My brother. Well, this picture is crazy. Go, come on. Hold it down.
I am.
You gotta hold it down? Yeah, it's a motorcycle, nigga. You gotta hold it down. Hold it down. Go down. There you go. Mama, where'd he go? 14 place ass. All off in the dirt. You oh shit! You all off in the dirt. Boy, he's still 14. All that movement, he's still 14. Oh, he catching up. Damn quick. Hey. Catch it up. Oh, catch it up. Come on, Bob. Catch it up. In the game. You got that groove. Look at this picture. Now you get so close and you mess. I got the dirt, nigga. You're doing so good, man.
I know.
Make baby mistakes.
At the end, it was perfect in the beginning.
Play a game, right?
I don't play shit.
Okay, where am I?
16, bro. You're the bottom of the bell. Street takeover going on right now. We're all fucking backed up. And they're doing donuts and burnouts and can't even get down there. People want to be jackasses, and I'm trying to go home, and they pretty much have a street takeover going on right here in the fucking middle of the fucking stuck. Are you serious? Yeah, I'm trying to see what's going on.
Hell, they spinning out.
I'm just trying to go home. Like, like what the fuck? You can't do this shit in like a fucking parking lot? Look at this shit. Legit. Smoking out, burning out. For real? Dead ass this. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Going on right now. Like I would love to like fucking go home. Yes, wow. Are you serious? Oh my god, dude. Comes the police finally. I'm just trying to get to fucking home. And these people want to be that gas station deal with fucking street takeover. Fucking dumb, dude. I swear, dude. Fucking dumb. Shit. Fucking street takeover. Now cops finally showed the fuck up. What the fuck? This is real. This is really happening like right now.